I'm installing the headset bearings on this older Japanese made in Japan bicycle. So the bearings, there's top and bottom one, and both sit the same way. So the balls at the top and the bottom of the race at the bottom, and there's also a plastic ring, it's a dust seal, and you have the cup that sits on top of it, goes like this with the locking nut, and the bottom one sits exactly the same. So basically the balls at the top, the bottom of the race at the bottom, and you have the dust seal here, the small O-ring plastic one, and the cup again goes above it. And of course at the top you will have the locking nut, and it has a washer underneath, and this specific washer, so those two come above of the cup, and that specific washer has a small indent here, so place it correctly. And when we tighten this, before let's just insert the headset fully, you have to clean the threads with alcoholic isopropyl, because it will get grease on it, and you don't want grease on these threads. If the bearings are still in good condition, they could be dirty, but just rub them against your fingers, put some pressure on them. That's the best way to clean them. Sometimes you rub them and they still seem to have a black spot or something like this. That may be just rust. There may be a small pit to them, but that will just rust because of lack of grease. So what I would like to do then, I would just try to rub it. It's not exactly easy, but keep it with a finger and rub it against a wire mesh like this, and that will just remove the rust, and you will still have a small pit, but with new grease should be just nice. To remove them from the cage, what I like to do is simply just keep it inside my hand like this, and I just push with my fingernail inside the cage, towards the inside the cage, and that should remove. Just put a little bit of pressure and the ball should drop from there, and that's the same way how you put it back. You just press it from inside, not from outside, from inside. Once you remove it from the cage, you notice you can clean inside the cage, and the best way is to use an old toothbrush. That's the perfect way. Use also alcohol isopropyl, and just make sure everything is clean before packing with grease.